do this. What are we gonna do?
Dude, we are going to finally, I say finally as if like anyone on my YouTube channel would know what I'm talking about, because there's no reveal for this car whatsoever. So we got flares after I think 2 months they finally showed up. So we're gonna put them on today, or like, you know, mock them up and then drill and everything for them. Oh, hello. Hey bud. Hey bud. Ah, get away. Get away. It's still near me, huh? So yeah, this, like I said, it's kind of confusing because I haven't put this car on my like channel at all, or told anyone on like YouTube.
It took how long
for the flares to come? 2 months.
Wow.
Yeah, I ordered those flares like a long time ago. But anyways, this is my Mk2 GTI. I got this car in March, and I've put a lot of work into it so far, and it's currently getting the wide body today and new wheels. So let's crack it open. Let's check out the wheels. You want to see the wheels?
Got these off of OfferUp, right?
Yeah, I found the guy initially on OfferUp, and I guess his brother has like a wheel business, and he just like sells wheels and tires.
Are these the specs right here?
Yeah, the specs. This one's open, so I'll just pull this one out. They're really nice people too, the people I bought them from. So we'll just go ahead and we'll just pop this out and then just look at it like that. These are machine screws, and we're gonna put it in by using riv nuts, so that we don't use like, I don't know, people use rivets and like self-tappers, but if we use riv nuts, then we could always remove the flare without destroying it. So we're gonna do it like that, and gonna cut off mid-sentence. It's Matt Fields that I saw do that, use riv nuts. So yeah, copy Matt Fields' technique. So now we're gonna
one down,
one drilled. We're just gonna do that one for now, but now we're gonna go through and make a marking where the holes are at on the body, and we can drill that, then get it fitted up to the car and drill into the car. So we're about to drill the very first hole to sink the rivet nut into the rocker panel of Grandpa, so we can bolt on that flare right there. Axel's gonna take over the filming. Let's do it. Wood? Oh, whoa. What the fuck? Oh shit, dude. Okay, cut.
Boom.
Not quite. Almost though. Just Oh, that's a what, bitch. That's a drop. Strip. Did it crush on the back? Can you see? Yeah. Oh shit.
Looks shorter.
Yeah. Let's see if she's still threads. Am I close to a screw?
Mm-hmm.
A loose one?
Oh, this one? No.
There should be a loose one up there.
Oh, here it is.
You're struggling over. Look. Grab the screw. Got a fucking threaded hole there, bud. Sick, man. Let's do another, shall we?
Those look sweet, by the way.
Thank you.
Those look awesome.
I like them. So we got the. Am I recording? I'm not recording. I am recording. Oops. So far, Axel and I have gotten most of the riv nuts. We need one more. I need to put one more riv nut on for this front passenger flare. But so far I've got it bolted on with the machine screws that I picked up, but these will not be the final final form of the hardware that I'm going to be putting on here, because I want to definitely go with something a little bit nicer. But this is just to bolt it all on, because I'm not going to just go out and like potentially get the wrong thing, or you know. So this is where we're at right now. I had the rep TEs, but I took them off since I'm almost complete with the front, and so I can leave the flare on. I put the Turbo Max back on. So let's go ahead and finish up this front. So we got the front on, we drilled it, bolted it in with riv nuts. It's on there really good, solid. I need to clean it. Obviously I'm gonna get them painted, and there's a little more work that needs to be done to make them fit like perfectly, and perfect's not even what I'm going for. But so far the drill died right when we went to drill the first hole for the riv nut on the rear, and so now we're gonna wrap up and call it quits. So bummer. Got to start it, bro. Okay.